Okay. So that's the thing we're going to repeatedly multiply. All right? Now, next, and I'm going to use some highlighty colors here. The base. The exponent. What is the exponent, Jayden?
The tiny number that goes on top of the expression, and it means that the expression will be multiplied by itself that many times.
That's what I'm looking for. The exponent is the number of multiplications. Now, you gave me away on the next thing I was going to ask. Where do these things live? Now, you remember back when you were talking English class with like grade 6 and your teacher said, what's the definition of some word? And then you use that word in your definition. And then they would get mad at you, right? Because you can't use that word in the definition. So it's really hard to define where a base and an exponent live if you don't use the words base and exponent, yes? So forget English class. Go ahead and define for me where a base and an exponent lives as compared to its partner. Does everybody understand what I asked? Hatisha, go. A base lives on the left side of an exponent. So if you know what an exponent is and you listen to Jayton, it's the little number, right? Now again, I could do this thing where I say, okay, wise ass, what's the exponent there? That's not a number, but you don't have to worry about unknown exponents yet. That's grade 12. You will have to know what to do with those. But, so if we know where that exponent lives, like Jayton says, then it's easy to use Hatisha's definition. It's the thing to the left. Yes? All right. So, but there's a problem with that because x cubed, what's the base? X. Why? Pardon me? Yeah, because it's to the left of the exponent. The exponent's on its right. Easy peasy. No problem, yes? Okay. Now what's the base? X. Right? We know the definition. The base is the thing immediately left of an exponent. So it's only x. Okay? Now what's the base? Now it's 2x. Exponents are easy. The base is what's left of the exponent. Except half of you just got this question wrong. Even though it's a one-sentence answer, right? The exponent is what's left, or the base, what's to the left of the exponent. What about this one? Now what's the base? 2x. Now what's the base? Negative 2x. See, in the very first sentence, it's already gets a little confusing. You got to remember 5 different things. A power is the whole thing. It's a base and an exponent. It's not just 3. And how do we read it? Yeah, base to the power. So 7 to the power of 3 or 7 to the third power. Everybody cool? Now, 2 numbers get special names. What are they? 2 and 3. 2 is what? Squared. And 3 is cubed. Everybody else, boring, doesn't get a special name. They feel left out and unincluded, and they take the social media. I want you to fill in this chart. We'll do the first line together, and then I will give you 1 minute to do so. What is the base? What is the exponent?
4.
So it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and you get 16. Ready? Fill in the rest of it. Go. You have all the information you need to fill it in properly.